Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to computer online class. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing good, right? In today's class, we'll continue chapter 2, that is Objects in Word 2013. Now let's recall what we have learned in the previous class. So in the last class, we have seen that in Word 2013, we have three objects, right? So what are they? Word dot, pictures and text box. So in the last class, we have seen in detail about the word dot, right? How to create a word dot, how to format it, right? We have seen. Okay, so when you format a word dot, you can see different options like text fill option, text outline options, text effects, right? So in text effects, we have seen shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, transform, we have seen, right? And where is this word dot option placed? In the home tab or in insert tab? Yes, below the insert tab you can see the text group, right. So in that text group you can find this word dot option. Okay, and in today's class we are going to see about inserting text boxes. Okay, inserting text boxes. Read this text now. Whether you started reading this paragraph or the content inside this box, which one you read first? Sure. See, the content inside this box, it's colorful and it attracts you to read first, right? So this is nothing but the text box. So what is the use of text box? A text box can be useful if you want to draw readers' attention to specific text. If you want to highlight something important, some headings, some interesting facts, if you want to highlight it, you can use this text boxes and you can format this shape of the text box as well as the text inside the text box. Okay, see this text box shape. So two different colors are used, right? So color, you can format. Many different formatting features are available. Okay, and at the same time inside the text box you can see the text, right? So this text also you have the formatting features. Okay, you can use word dot format for text inside the text box. Okay, now we'll see the steps to insert text box. Okay, the first point, you have to place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a text box. Okay, so what is a cursor? Cursor means, see, when you type in a Word document, you can see a blinking line there, right? So that is cursor. Okay, when you move the mouse pointer and you click that, you can see the cursor. Okay, if the cursor is placed in that position only, you can type. Okay, so first place the cursor in a fixed position. Okay, so as you wish, you can choose the position and you can place the cursor. The next step, click the insert tab and under the text group you can find the word dot option. See, in the last class we have seen inserting word dot, right? So nearby that word dot option, see, this is word dot option. You can find this a text box option, right? Yes. Okay, click the insert tab and you can find the text box option. When you click the text box, you can see a drop down menu. Okay, so here you can select any one of the styles or else you can draw the text box option. Okay, see here, draw text box option is here. So either you can choose any one of these built-in features or else you can click this option, draw text box. Okay, see, if you have chosen the draw text box option, you have to click and you can draw a text box like this. Okay, click and drag, then you can see the text box like this. Okay, so here you can see the blinking line. Okay, this this will be the blinking line. So this is the cursor. Okay, blinking cursor will appear inside the text box. Okay, so when the cursor appears, you can start typing. So your own content you can type. Okay, eat healthy, be healthy, I have typed. So if you want to make any changes in the text, you can click the home tab, and using the font group commands you can edit the content inside. Okay, and finally if it is done, you can click the mouse pointer outside this text box. Okay, so click anywhere outside the text box to return to the document. Okay, when you click outside, you won't see this outline box. Okay, so only the content eat healthy, be healthy will be there. Okay, next we will see how to format a text box. Okay, so you can always change the appearance of the text box, like style, color and shape of the text box, and even you can add shadows also. See, in the last slide we have seen how to insert text box, right? Just typing the content, that's all, finish. Okay, so in this we'll see about how to format, how to change the style, color, shape, everything we'll see. Okay, so let's see the steps. First step, you have to select the text box. Okay, the next step, you have to click the format tab. See, for Word art also you can see the format tab below the drawing tools. Do you remember that? Yes. So, and in that, in the insert shapes group, you can select the edit shape command. Select the change shape option. Don't get confused now. Just I'll show you the picture. See here. See, below the drawing tools, you can find this format option. Right? So here you have to see, this is the insert shapes group. Okay, can you see here insert shapes group? Yes. Okay, so click that insert shapes group, and in that you can see the edit shape option. Okay, this is edit shape option. Okay, so below that you can see the change shape option. Okay, then you can choose the desired shape, that is your wish. Okay, so you can choose your own shapes. Okay, don't get confused. So below the drawing tools you can find the format option here, right? So when you click this format, you can see many groups. So in that you have to click the insert shapes group. Okay, so here you can see the edit shape. Okay, so when you click that edit shape, you can see the change shape option, and you can choose the desired shape. Okay, you understood now? Okay. Next, the same like word art, we have three different options like shape fill, shape outline and shape effects. Okay, so if you want to fill the shape, if you want to give different colors, so you can use the shape fill. Okay, and shape outline colors also you can set, and shape effects. Okay. Next, we'll see how to change the shape of text inside the text box. Okay, so for that first step, you have to select the text box or content inside the text box. Okay, so first select the text box, then you have to click the format tab. So as I told you before, below the drawing tools, when you click the text box below the drawing tools, you can see the format tab, and below that you can see the text effect options in the word styles group. Okay, so here you have to click transform option, and then you can click your desired effect. Okay, so see this picture now. So below the drawing tools, click the format tab, and in the word out styles, see here word out styles, here you can see the effects group, right? So in the effects you can click transform. Okay, so when you click this transform option, so many options are available. Okay, so you can choose your desired effect. Okay, so here I have chosen cut down effect. Okay, see the text inside the text box, how it appears, right? Okay, now let's recall what we have learned in today's class. Okay, in today's class we have seen how to insert the text box, right? So we'll see the steps now. First step, you have to place the cursor in a position, right? So I want the text box to be placed here. Okay, so I have placed the cursor here. Okay, then I have to click the insert tab, right? So insert, So in the text group, you can find the text box option here, right? So when you click that option, you can see many built-in text boxes here, okay? So you can choose as your wish, okay? So different text box options are available. You can choose any one of this, or else you can give the option like draw text box. So see here, draw text box option is also available. So now I'll click this box, see what happens. So you can remove all these contents inside and you can type your own content, okay? Or else we'll draw the box and see, okay? So draw text box, see the plus sign appears, just click and drag it, okay? So you can see the text box, okay? See the blinking cursor here, right? You can see here, right? So inside you can type the content what you want, okay? Suppose I type computer. See the font style, if you want to change, you have to go to home tab and you can increase the font size, okay? Font color also you can change it. Okay, so this is how we insert the text box. Next we'll see how to format this text box, okay? So for formatting, first we'll select the text box, okay? So select the text box. The next step, so when you select the text box, you can see the format tab here, right? So format tab option is available, right? Below the drawing tools, you can see the format option, okay? In the format option, first you see insert shape group here, right? If you want to change the shape of this text box, you have to go to change shape option. See, this is edit shape, okay? When you click this edit shape, you can see the change shape option, okay? You can choose the desired shape that you want, okay? See, I have chosen the star shape, okay? So this is changing the shape of the text box. Okay. If you want to rotate it, you can rotate it, okay? See, this adjustment also you can do it. The next three options we have seen, right? Shape fill, shape outline and shape effects, okay? If you want to fill the shape, you have to go to a shape fill option. See here, you can find the shape styles group, right? So here you see the shape fill. See which color you can choose it, okay? So this is a shape fill, okay? Then shape outline. So in the last class we have seen, if you want to increase the weight, you can see that, right? Yes. Can you see the shape outline? Okay. The next we have seen a shape effects, right? If you want to apply any shadow effects or whatever, maybe you can choose from this, okay? Next, we will see how to change the shape of the text. So first you select the text box, okay? Select the text box and in the format group, you can see the text effect option here, right? See where styles in that group, you can find the text transform option here, right? Okay, so in the transform option, you can choose your desired effect. See? Okay, are you clear? I hope everyone is clear with this topic, right? Inserting text boxes, right? So if you have any doubts in this, you can contact me and you can clarify your doubts. And after watching this video, kindly check the WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll send the questions to you in Google Forms. You can answer it and you can submit. Okay. Thank you, dear children. Have a great day.